This has been a pain in the ass. They said that they want the caliper, the rotors changed because the car's squealing and making lots of noise. And well, there's enough brake on that. And basically the other one too, where it's at, they will look the same, and there's no, not tore up. So anyway, I guess I'll just change the wheel, right? Take this off now. Oh, I thought it was screwed on there. It's not though. Shit. Backside, it looks okay. What the fuck? That shit rubber or something? You're fucking with me. That's drum. And rotor. It's disc and fucking drum. What the fuck? Okay. Those are tore up. There's no metal on metal. I've never seen that before. What a trip. That must really be, I'm guessing, for the e-brake. Yeah, because there's no hydraulic cylinder in there. Okay. Yeah. E-brake cable. That's not a problem though, I drove it. Could be the other side, I guess. But those are going to hell. Still there for a minute though. Learn something new every fucking day. Oh shit.